New World Order. Subjects: social science, current events, social history, diplomacy, politics. The Queen of Attolia. First published 2001. Subjects: diplomacy, adventure genres book, speculative fiction, young adult literature, fantasy, original language, English language. River secrets. Peace is possible. Peace is possible. The stakes of diplomacy. Subjects: current events, diplomacy, politics, international relations, modern history genres book, philosophy, war novel. The UN Security Council. Subjects: current events, security, diplomacy, politics, international relations. Allies. Subjects: technology, Iraq War, Middle East, diplomacy, warfare genres book, mathematics, science, sociology. Target: Iran. Subjects: Iran, government, diplomacy, public policy, United States of America. Persona non grata. Subjects: education, Chile, diplomacy, South America, Cuba genres book, biography, fiction, autobiography. The diplomacy of war. Subjects: world, diplomacy, warfare, international relations, Asia. The French betrayal of America. Subjects: current events, Iraq War, government, security, France. Almost history. First published 1992. Subjects: diplomacy, international relations genres book, fiction. Liberty and power. Subjects: current events, government, diplomacy, politics, international relations. The Osama bin Laden I know. Subjects: 21st century, political terrorism, security, Afghanistan, diplomacy genres book, biography, autobiography. Kissinger. Subjects: government, diplomacy, biography, United States of America, late 20th century genres book, biography, fiction, autobiography. On the origins of war. The best intentions, Kofi Annan and the UN in the era of American world power. First published 2006. 10 subjects: current events, diplomacy, politics, international relations, political history genres book, non-fiction. The international struggle over Iraq. Subjects: current events, security, diplomacy, politics, Iraq. Samurai William. Subjects: world, diplomacy, Asia, Japan, British cuisine genres book, biography, autobiography. Negotiation. Negotiation. The third trial. Subjects: current events, government, diplomacy, politics, international relations. Countering Al-Qaeda. countering Al-Qaeda.
Why America is such a hard sell.
Subjects: current events, diplomacy, politics, international relations, United States of America. The much too promised land.
The enemy at home.
Subjects: civilization, diplomacy, liberalism, United States of America, history of the United States.
Backstabbing for beginners, my crash course in international diplomacy.
First published 2008-91. Subjects: diplomacy, oil for food program genres book, non-fiction. Fragile diplomacy, Meissen Porcelain for European courts.
Renaissance diplomacy.
Subjects: diplomacy, legislation, international relations, Renaissance history. Dangerous diplomacy, how the State Department threatens America's security.
American intervention in Yugoslavia.
Subjects: diplomacy, politics, Yugoslavia, international relations, United States of America.
Translating history 30 years on the front lines of diplomacy with a top Russian interpreter.
First published 1997. Subjects: diplomacy, Igor Korkolov genres book, memoir.
An end to evil, how to win the war on terror.
Subjects: criminology, diplomacy, public policy, United States of America, military.
North Korea.
Subjects: current events, socialism, diplomacy, politics, international relations.
Under the wire, how the Telegraph changed diplomacy.
First published 2003. Subjects: diplomacy, telegraphy genres book, non-fiction.
Diplomacy.
First published 1994. Subjects: current events, diplomacy, politics, legislation, international relations, original language, English language.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.